In this section, we'll be talking about matrix operations performed in Excel. Let's begin with just a simple definition of a matrix. In our context, a matrix can be defined as a collection of numbers that are arranged into rows and columns, essentially a grid work of numbers. Here's a simple example. I have 3 rows and 3 columns. This would be a simple matrix. Now there's a number of different things we're going to do with matrices, different matrix operations in Excel, but there are a couple of things that will make your life easier, and so I'm going to go over those first. These are really suggestions that will make it easier to work with Excel functions that utilize matrices. The first is you'll find it easier to utilize matrices if you name them first. So select the entire matrix or array and use the same name cell procedure that we have in the past. Then you can simply refer to the matrix by name in the function that calls it. The second thing, this is very important, is if we're doing a matrix operation and the output is going to be a matrix, we need to pre-select the area or the cells that it will be output into. And try to use care to make sure you get the right numbers of rows and columns. Third thing is, when we're getting ready to input a matrix operation and the output for that operation will be another matrix, what we need to do after pre-selecting that output area is do a Shift, Control, Enter key combination as we execute the command. This will cause it to populate each cell in that matrix or array output area with the appropriate array command. If we forget to do that, we'll only get a portion of our output.